Hey y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and today's project is more scroll saw work, something relatively simple, but before we get into that, I want to just say thank you to all my subscribers who have clicked that subscribe button. Please continue to like and share my videos, and if you haven't, please click the subscribe button. It really encourages me. I'm up to over 220 subscribers, and that is just a blessing. And speaking of blessings, that is the subject of today's video. We're going to be cutting out this I Am Blessed. It calls for 3/4 inch material. Relatively simple scroll saw pattern, relatively straightforward. We're going to be using just a rip down 2x4 I've got laying around. I ripped this down. It was a scrap piece and I wanted to rip it down into 3/4 inch pieces. I got two decent 3/4 inch pieces out of it, so we're going to use this one to make this today, and then we might use the other piece I ripped down to make something in a later video. But let me get the pattern trimmed down and attached to the wood, and then we'll get started. And here is the finished piece. I am blessed. Love this. Think it turned out real good. This is just a scrap piece of 2x4 I had lying around. Over when I was sanding, I used a very light touch, guys. This is a very fragile piece. It'd be very easy to break, which I hope it don't never break. This will definitely find a home out here in the shop somewhere on display, or in the house somewhere on a shelf. But I love this. It took me maybe from start to finish, maybe 40 minutes to an hour, over on the scroll saw and everything. Real simple project to try. If you want to try it, it is available as a free download at stevegoodscrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com. If you want to head over there and download this pattern and try it. Another look at it, front side and the back side. But again, I think it turned out beautiful. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember, if I can make it, you guys can make it. Take care, and I'll see you all later. God bless.